This video will walk you through how to connect your Salford Air Boom to the IQANgo Boomfold app. To start, download the IQANgo app from the App Store on your device. The app is available for both Apple and Android devices. Once downloaded, open up the app. Also ensure that the chassis is turned on in order for the app to connect to the IQAN module on the machine. From inside the app, find and click on the Connect button. A pop-up menu will come up, which allows you to select the connection. The connection can be made through Bluetooth or the Internet. Bluetooth is used when you are at the machine, and the Internet is used for remote connections through the host's phone. For the best connection, turn off any unnecessary Bluetooth devices and position yourself inside the cab. Click on the Air Boom option and click the Connect button on the pop-up menu in order to connect to the Air Boom. Once connected, you will see 5 options on the bottom of the app: Menu, System, Logs, Measure, and Adjust. The Air Boom is now connected to IQANgo and ready for adjustment and monitoring through the app.